Adunay katungod ang lokal nga panggamhanan sa Davao City nga ipursiger ang localized peace talks samtang kanselado pa ang national level peace talks. Matud ni Presidential Peace Advisor Secretary Jesus Doreza nga kung kini maoy pamaagi aron atubangon ng suliran dala sa mga armed groups dinhi sa syudad. Prerogative kini sa local government, ilabi na kung sa tanaw ni Mayor Sara, mas epektibo sila sa pagresolba niini.
Localized peace talks are something that can be done and should be done by the local government if they wish, if they want. And Mayor Sara Duterte already had started this. Nag-issue na nga siya ng administrative order. She even already organized the panel. So that is something that the locals can pursue and handle.
Apan matud ni Doreza nga ang Office of the Presidential Advisor on the Peace Process kun OPAP dili na sila manghilabot sa ipursiger nga localized peace talks mientras padayon pa ang ilang kaugalingong negosasyon ngadto sa mga national rebel leaders kinsa posible usab nga dili muuyon sa localized peace talks.
We at OPAP, we don't want to get involved there because we are working on another level. But if the local government feels that they are in a better position to deal with their own armed groups in their own localities, then let it be. Let them do what they think is best. But as far as OPAP is concerned, we have to negotiate in another level. And we cannot support and be part of something that is there on the ground and also while we are also talking with their leadership who may not agree to localized peace talks.
Kini ang Radyo Man sa Balita, kasamang Amy Genita. Tatak, RMN.
Tatak, RMN.